Man, Trish Stratus still got it, too. I gotta say, she still got it.
The submission hold, the sharpshooter, the same move she tapped Lita with in her first retirement match. But Becky able to counter. Becky up and over to the outside.
I gotta say, man, it's so great to see like the women, you know, performers being able to perform in Saudi Arabia.
Balance thanks to Stratus. Yet again.
Making history. Uh-oh.
This is not going to be pretty.
Oh, the Walls of Jericho! She got the Walls of Jericho on her.
Dragging Stratus back to the center of the ring. Boston Crab. Stratus nowhere to go.
Come on, Michael Cole. You know it's the Walls of Jericho.
Trying to keep her legs extended. Lynch doing her best to cinch back to really deepen the hold. Can Lynch get Stratus to tap out instead of thank you, Trish, and maybe tap out, Trish? But Trish able to make it to the bottom rope. And now Becky gonna come out on the attack, launches herself off the
Ooh! Damn.
Lynch is down. Stratus looking to regroup. Into the ring to break the count. No, Trish wants to.
Oh yeah, Trish wants the easy way. Smart strategy.
Count of 8 now.
No way.
Count of 9.
I was about to say.
Barely beats the count.
Oh, Stratus kick. That's it. That's it.
For the win.
Ah, damn.
Now is cause for concern.
Damn.
As we look yet again at Stratus delivering a chick kick, a move that has brought her so many victories, but not yet, not tonight.
In my predictions, I think I had Trish Stratus beating Becky. Oh wait, no, I did not. I actually had Becky beating Trish because then Becky's gonna go into Money in the Bank. Trish Stratus is going to screw her in Money in the Bank, and that's what's going to cause them to wrestle at SummerSlam to finish the feud. Oh, disarmer.
Becky caught Stratus. Stratus got kicked.
Disarmer.
Disarmer in. And Trish gonna tap. Instead of tapping, she grabs Becky's
Ah, such a heel move, grabbing the hair.
Constructed by both competitors' bodies. This thing is getting ugly.
Damn.
What a physical matchup between Trish and Becky. This with a chick kick again. Becky roll up, shoulders down for the win. Kick out by Stratus.
Man, I love the intensity.
Manhandle slam.
Oh.
Cover.
Oh, foot on the rope. Damn.
Lost her ring awareness. Trish may be the
shit.
right now.
Damn.
Trying to figure out what she needs to do to put Trish away. She thought that was her moment.
What the hell is she doing under the ring? What the hell?
Who knows?
Oh! Zoey Starks! No! What? No way!
Becky Lynch and Trish Stratus with Stratus.
No way!
Stratus beats Lynch.
I guess they're gonna do it. Trish wins, and then at okay. That's an interesting way of doing it. Honestly, Zoey Starks with Trish Stratus, I kind of like that. I kind of like that pairing there. This is another, ooh, busted open nose. Damn. Honestly, that's such a smart booking decision. Zoey Starks had no crowd reaction at all when she, like, you know, made her Raw debut a couple weeks ago. Now you pair her up with one of the greatest with Trish Stratus. That's only going to give her more exposure on WWE TV. And, you know, she's going to be put over as, you know, a heel. I like that. Oh, that fan's pissed. I like it. Wow. Good booking decision here. Because we know Zoey Starks, you know, has it in the ring. She just lacks that charisma outside of the ring with, like, her character, her promo work. And being with somebody like Trish, that's going to definitely, you know, really help her, I think, in her main roster run. I like this. So at Money in the Bank, you could do a couple things. You can have Becky do Money in the Bank like I suggested, or you can actually just have Zoey Starks fight Becky Lynch. Becky Lynch could beat Zoey Starks and then go on to SummerSlam and fight Trish Stratus. So there's definitely, you know, a few ways that you could do it. But wow, I gotta say, I'm very impressed with the booking decision there. Definitely. Solid show so far. 2 great matches to start.